Hello, John Bloodworth Gentleman Crafter here. Recently I ordered a magic mat from scrapbook.com and it arrived, so I thought I would get it out, give it a go and give you my thoughts on it. Basically this is a double-sided self-healing cutting mat that replaces one of the cutting plates in your die cutting system and helps to avoid this issue, which is the doming and cracking of the cutting plates. It basically gives you a new surface to cut into. It's brought to us by scrapbook.com, a company with over 25 years in the crafting industry, and they do lots and lots of fabulous things. The mats themselves come in a variety of sizes to fit an array of die cutting machines. I'll be demonstrating on a Sizzix die cutting machine. So in my die cutting sandwich I would have the base plate, the A adapter because I'm using basically thin metal dies. I would then put my magic mat down, the cardstock, and then my die on top with the cutting edge facing the mat, and then I would put the remaining cutting plate on top to go into the cutting machine. And then basically as normal I would feed that into the machine and wind it through. I can say that one of the claims of this mat is to reduce the cracking sound as it's being wound through the machine, and that definitely happens. There was absolutely no cracking sound as it went through. One of the other benefits of this is that it cuts well with detailed dies as I'm using here, and as you can see at the top of the screen as well. I gave it a quick try before this video. So you can see it cut perfectly through the cardstock. What I have found is occasionally, because you're pushing the cardstock into the self-healing cutting mat, you might just need to spend a little bit of time teasing it from the mat, but the overwhelming advantage is all of those tiny little landlocked areas just drop out with ease. So in terms of achieving its goal of working with dies and cutting detailed dies, it's an absolute winner for me. Now as you can see there is a little bit of marking, but it's a self-healing cutting mat, so over time these won't necessarily build up like they do on your plastic cutting plates and then mark future projects. So hopefully you'll get a cleaner cut every time. Now if like me you are in the UK, you will be concerned about postage and customs fees. For me, I ordered one plate and it was on sale at $12.99. The international shipping was $6.99. But as you can see, if I add 2 to my basket, that does increase. Now because I only ordered one, I also didn't pay any customs or import charges, so that was even better value for money. Now there is more information about the magic mat on the scrapbook.com website, and I will leave a link to that in the description below the video and also on my blog. So if you have any questions, please do go and check that out, because it's also got information about the sandwiches for all of the different die cutting machines that this is compatible with. In the meantime, I hope this has helped and given you a better idea of what this product is about. From me though, it's a definite thumbs up. It's good value for money, and hopefully over time it will save money because I won't need to keep replacing my plastic cutting plates. Okay, that's it for this one. If you do have any comments for me, please feel free to leave them in the comments below the video. In the meantime, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time. That's it for this time. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And for more from me in the future, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.